Good morning, students. I welcome all of you to my science class. We are having the discussion on the chapter synthetic fibers and plastics, and this is the final topic which is left, plastics and the environment. So what are basically plastics? Plastics are synthetic fibers which have so many advantages and which have so many disadvantages too. So plastic and the environment. You must have seen that nowadays in supermarkets or grocery shops, they hand out purchased items either in paper bags or cloth bags. In fact, it is a conscious effort by our society to limit the use of plastics, as it is very harmful to our environment. In this regard, we have to learn two terms, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. A material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as the action of bacteria is called biodegradable material. For example, plant wastes, animal wastes or dead bodies, paper, cotton cloth, wood, etc. These are biodegradable and environment friendly. But a material which is not easily decomposed by natural processes is called non-biodegradable, and the example is plastics. Plastic is a non-biodegradable substance which cannot be turned into useful and nature-friendly products. The bacteria or microorganisms just can't break them up. When plastic is thrown on land, it makes the soil less fertile, and when thrown in water, you can see here, it chokes the drains, pond, rivers and harms the aquatic life. When it is eaten by animals, it gets stuck in their stomach and makes them sick because the bacteria in their stomach cannot break. So we have to take 5R principle in case of plastic. The first one, which is refuse, that means refuse to buy things kept in polythene bags, right? The next thing is reduce the use of plastics, so that you carry your own cotton or jute bags while shopping. Avoid use of plastics. The next thing is reuse. Reuse materials made of plastics. Use empty plastic bottles of soft drinks to store water, but which is not at all safe for you. The next thing is recycle and repurpose, which is actually the final steps. Recycle indicates the recycling of the plastics to produce so many products. In the industries, they are performing the recycling of the plastics. And repurpose or recover, that is the special bins for biodegradable waste material. So that's all for you.